When navigation rules identify your vessel as the giveaway vessel, your responsibility is clear. Take action and take it early. Rule 16 explains how to do that effectively. A giveaway vessel must take early and substantial action to keep well clear of the stand-on vessel. Early prevents close encounters. Substantial means your maneuver is obvious and leaves no doubt about your intentions. Subtle course changes or small speed adjustments may not communicate clearly. Hesitation increases the risk of collision. In a crossing situation, turning decisively to starboard and altering speed can create a wide, comfortable passing distance. In an overtaking situation, the giveaway vessel should steer well clear and complete the pass without forcing the other vessel to maneuver. Even in head-on situations, both vessels act as giveaway, each turning to starboard in a coordinated, predictable manner. Rule 16 enforces safe boating behavior. When you're the giveaway vessel, act early, act clearly, and keep well clear. Predictability keeps everyone safe.